how you guys are doing. I am here on December 19th. It is the week before Christmas. Well, it's the Christmas week. Christmas is actually this weekend, and I should be going home this weekend. I am going home this weekend, and we are going to be dropping this load. I'm in Pennsylvania right now, and I'm going to be dropping this load soon. It's about like 6:48. And I'm going to be dropping this load into Mechanic. It's a paper load, and I don't have my next trip yet, so I'm going to see where that goes. And it's been a good week, and I had like 2 days off straight. Did some laundry, and I'm just ready to go home. Did not do any groceries this week or anything like that. We eat what I have, so I don't have that much stuff inside. So, yeah, well, I'm well rested, which is great. This place looks fucking abandoned. There's no one here. It's supposed to be an 8 o'clock drop. There's no one here. Alright, so it took me a little bit to actually get going here. Apparently they weren't supposed to get this going. But it doesn't matter to me, I just deliver them. This is shit, because look at this. I shouldn't be having to do this. I'd be gone for it. So they're gonna push me out from the back, which is dangerous as shit, but whatever. Alright, so I got out. The guys had to push me from the back, which was weird, but I got out, and this whole place is like a frozen tundra. You know what I mean? Like, I don't understand why it's clean, but definitely, you know what I mean?
Turn left on US 60
they could have done a better job.
Public Highway.
That's all I'm saying. Literally, I'm over here covered in mud and shit. I literally just did laundry. I just did it. I just did laundry. I'm covered in mud. And I like these jeans. They're comfortable. They're like boot cut. But sure shit, I'm covered in mud. 53-foot trailers. And you have to come through places like this. It's like a junkyard. Come over here, they weigh your truck. Then you go to the office. It's annoying. So, getting on these scales suck. Like, I'm trying to get on, right? And I'm like, trying my best to stay on the scale, not hit anything. Ugh. Mirrors too wide. Ooh. She's gonna come out soon. Literally, I have to needle my way through here just to get what I had to do. I was doing kettlebell swings. I did like 60 of them, and I gotta go back to do the rest. But I got like a 50-pound kettlebell and just. But overall, it's a good day today. Actually, not really. Something happened I'm not happy about, but it's alright. I mean, that's what it's gonna be for a little bit. It's alright. Alright, so we're actually here. We're in Syracuse, New York. I picked up the load. I had to scale it twice because it was about like 79,000 some change, and I only had like 300 pounds of room. The time I got here, it was about 1,000 pounds lighter, but overall I got it scaled twice. I had to move my fifth wheel and my tandem's by like 1,500 pounds, so it's like what, like six spaces. But right now I'm supposed to get offloaded at 10 o'clock at night. This place actually offloads you early if you get here, and they have a door available, so we're getting offloaded. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, we are done. Let's see if they send me another load, which I doubt because I only got 4 hours left. So I am going to park for the night, hopefully. starting to snow a little bit up here in Syracuse, as you can see. And I'm gonna go to the pilot near here. Pilot. Did a light workout today. I tell you, those kettlebells, they get you
1
tired.
mile ahead, turn right on Industrial Drive.
It's actually snowing harder than I thought. It just came out of nowhere. Alright guys, let me go concentrate.
Woo! No snow like New York snow.
They got me over here with another load. They gave it to me. I only had like 4 hours left. I got 244. It's about 5 miles away. Picking up and drops tomorrow in East MPA at 12:20 or 7 in the morning or 2 o'clock. It's only like 200 miles, so it's not that bad. So I'm 6 minutes over my 14-hour. I got done. They told me I could overnight at their parking lot, which is I'm ecstatic about because I don't feel like using PC to go find parking in Syracuse. Woo! It was a long day, but successful. So let me go find a parking spot and go to sleep.